I want to move your Lancaster business. My name is Mike and I am the CEO of Dr. Move. I started this business with only $100 over 9 years ago. So what does that really mean for you and your company? That I know how to go the extra mile and work extremely hard to save you money, but more importantly, to get you back to business as soon as possible so you guys could have low downtime. Since we've been in business for quite a while, we know how to move all types of businesses. It doesn't matter if you're in the real estate business, if you're in the IT business, if you have in the warehouse business, or if you're in the medical field, or if you just need deliveries, or if you're a landlord. We know how to move all types of business under the moons and the stars. But more importantly, we will save you money not only on your move, but also to help you get back to business as quick as possible. Call me now so I can save you money on your business move. Our number is 1-888-DRMOVE1 or visit our website at drmove.com. I am very, very confident that I'm going to save you and your company significant amount of money, plus more importantly, a headache and stress-free relocation.